So this is my code for Newton's second law of motion, and over here is the user input section. So I put enter the mass, and the user should put a number for their mass, and the same thing goes for acceleration. And then over here, if the mass should be multiplied with the acceleration, and if the acceleration is less than or equal to 50, then this will print out. There's not enough force to move this brick. If it is more, then there is enough force to move this brick, and this is the output. So if I put 50 and 80, force is 4,000, 50 times 80 is 4,000, and if it's higher than 50, there's enough force to move this brick. But if I put 10 and maybe 2, there's not enough force.